So guys, I am working on one of my new project. So how to create your new project? You click on file, you go to this new toolbar, and then it will give you the options. So you can click on this project and it will give you all the setup for your new project. Now, next step, what we do? We go in the Java class, right click on it. We open a new class, which is Java class. Since we are writing the code in Java, we have to open this Java class and it will give you the setup like this. This everything will be empty, only you can give the class name for whatever you want to give. If it is a smoke test you're doing, or it's a regression test you're doing, or any of the functional feature testing you're doing. I have given the smoke test. Now what is smoke test? Smoke test is basically very short kind of testing done on the feature, whether it's, suppose if you click on any of the sign in button on the site, it is working or not. It's like turning on the lights and turning off the light. First you test that. So basically that is the smoke testing. Now I have written some of the codes for any random site. I took my Amazon site and did my basic script writing. So what happens in automation? Whatever user plays manually, like going on the site Amazon. So you, as a user, what you will do, you will go on the site, you will click on the sign in button or sign up button or not. You just have to search for random some of the things you want to look for. So the basic code from automating the manual testing is this: how you create the coding for it, for your manual steps, which you're using your UI. UI means the front end. How you click on the button and what you do. That's what we write the code for. And the code is written in this way. So basically, I created my class smoke test. These are the basic necessities of launching the browser. First, you have to have the web driver, whatever driver you are using. If it's a Chrome driver or Gecko driver. Gecko driver is a driver used for Firefox. So you download this and see that you have this driver executables in your project. Now, the first thing when you create the new project, if you see this kind of build.gradle and if you click on that, it will show you some dependencies. Dependencies means what kind of framework we need for automating our test. I'm using TestNG here. Sometimes they have the JUnit here, but I have replaced it because I'm not using JUnit, I'm using TestNG. And then Selenium. Selenium is very essential for interacting with your browser. So this kind of configuration you do to run your test scripts smoothly. Now the next step. Next step is smoke test. If you're doing, first what you will need. You want the driver, so you write the code for driver. Then all the elements on the sites are not loaded at once. They have their own time because app might crash. So what they have, every elements you see in the front end UI page is loaded on their own time. So that's why we use driver. Now, which URL we are working on? I am going Amazon. If you want to go for google.com, you can just change this address here, and then just to verify, I have written my code that I have this. After launching the browser, I get this site, and after that the Amazon logo is displayed. That's why it is verified that I am on the right page. And the next code is to close the browser. So we don't want to keep the browser open. That's why we write this code driver.quit. So you see, I have written like two kind of test here. One is just launching the browser, and the second test is creating an account. This is still not complete. I'm still working on it. So right now I just wanted to show you that how you write basic codes for launching the browser.